Evening, everyone. This is Ishan, and you're watching the Investment. Let's do the weekly recap, weekly forecast by using the ChatGPT. What I did, I came here, I took a photo of this chart, my weekly time frame. I took a photo, copied it, and pasted it into the ChatGPT. And then I asked the ChatGPT, analyze the gold price chart for last week of this month to find the significant swing high and lows. Apply a Fibonacci extension to see if the current is move going up and what extensions are next. Because the gold is currently very going high, there is no chance of shorting the gold. Like, the price will come down according to the situation around the world, around the globe, the tariff war, the Trump, the Iran, the India, the Palestine, the Israel, the Russia, the Ukraine, everything. So everybody knows gold is a safe haven. So what we get from the ChatGPT, it told us it identified the swing high and the swing low on a weekly chart, which we cannot see very clearly here. So when I shifted back to the daily chart, I found out it took the high from this level, which is 3500, and then it took the low of the last week Friday closing, which is around here, 3168. This is the low it took, and from here to here it calculates the one wave. So let's apply the Fibonacci. Here we are applying the Fibonacci, and according to ChatGPT, this is going to be our target on the first Fibonacci 3640. That's for us, it's coming 3580 because different data from different charts. Maybe the placement is the issue. So this is the price. It's not grabbing it. Anyway, so this is what we got. The next level for the goal if this swing is bounce from here and move upside. So we get the first level around this is our first level. Then we have another Fibonacci level that is around here. And then we have level at 227 because 200% is mostly ignored. So this one is the next target for the gold, the possible. If you ask about the forecasting using the technical method is which include is a method include the Fibonacci extensions. So what I did, I find out the swing low, swing high, and applied the next week for the next week and the upcoming gold price extension. So we can see here, we got the level. This is the levels. So 3600 around this zone and then this zone. So what gold should do if it is not bouncing down because volume is dropping on this. So, and we have a very clear rejection. Now what we do, we will give this chart to the ChatGPT once again. Attached is the daily chart, gold price. Find the liquidity, free liquidity levels, and imbalance zones. So this is all the SMC concepts are being applied by the ChatGPT, and we don't have to worry about learning and all that big slab. Here is also give us the quick visual summary, which is still bullish. 3500 is the immediate resistance. After next Fibonacci target 3640, 3765, 3900. These are the targets where you can expect a market to bounce back. If market comes up, it can bounce from here, it will bounce from here. So these are just a Fibonacci extension that we applied on the rule of the Fibonacci golden ratio. Now let's see. It has given us the liquidity levels. The first buy stops are the 3370. Then we have sell stop 3265. And then we have sell stop 3168. ChatGPT has made your life very easy. Now that you share the daily chart of the gold, let's focus quickly what you asked. It gave you the liquidity levels, areas with us, our stop orders, where the most of the retail traders and other traders they have a expected stop levels where you can buy. It's like buying from the wholesale market. So we have the buy stops 3370 that will turn into the sell stop, and then we have a sellers around 3265. Okay, then we have sell stops, major structure load, strong demand. So if price push is high, it might sweep 3370 before pulling back. Okay, so it says like price can go to 3370, then it can come back. And from these level, these on we can expect from this area, like market will have a pool of order here from which market can reverse back. So we have 3168, 3265. So it's just a sweep. It will just come to get the orders from there because market works on the, you know, orders, buy and sell orders. So now we have imbalance zones that is around 3240, 3280, like 3240. It's around here is this is the area. It's saying for the imbalance zone. You can easily see this is where the imbalance were created. This is where the imbalance were created. Like buyers are higher than the sellers. You can see momentum candles, a big green candles, and small candles like some orders which are being executed here. They are just people are trying to exit here, and then the guys who exit here they entered from here. So as per we are forecasting the level, upcoming level is around here on the daily chart. You can easily see, and we just made a summary forecast with the chat GPT. If you want to do it by yourself, just simply grab the chart from the TradeView, your platform, or anywhere, and give data to the AI so it can do whatever the technical analysis you want to do. So now price is consolidating between 3370, 3265. Liquidity grabs either above 3370 and 3265 below. First begins imbalance sitting between 3240, 3280. So this one. This is talking about. Here is the big imbalance zone. The market can burst out from this zone very easily if the buyer is still there. If major drop occurs, watch 3090, 3150. This is the zone I'm waiting from a long time. Like market has to come back this area, and it will have a great pool of orders here because you will see the break evens here. Here the break evens are here. This is all about the market. So what we can expect in a coming time, in a coming weeks, gold to reach $4,000 per ounce. This is the Fibonacci forecast. Let's move to the price section. You can also do the price section analysis by using, let's do it more accurately. We will log into our any platform. For example, let's do the FTMO. This is the account. Okay, let's do options. Come to the symbol panel. Take the gold. Where is the gold? It's in the metals. Come here and bars. Oh, from April, let's do the price section from Thursday to Friday. To Friday, request. These are the data you just received for the 1 minute. This is going to be too large. If you have a paid subscription for the ChatGPT, you can easily use it. Export the data, write down the time so you can easily manage. M1, Thursday to Friday. Come here, take the file. This is here. This is the file here. Now get back to the chat GPT. From here, take the file, upload from the computer. This is, I have given the data to the X. This is how you feed the data to the chat GPT. So now tell the chat GPT, then institutional trader. Now we are applying institutional strategies. Institutional trader, apply price action trading method. Price action trading methods. Find potential trading setups on coming month. This data for price M1. Let's see what the chat GPT is going to do with us. Hopefully my chat GPT limit is not gone, but it is analyzing all the data. And now, what was right now, because my limit is gone, check for clean double top, find imbalance. Uh, but this is the way you can go because I already given it to the two pictures to analyze. Now this is a very large data for the M1. Simple trading plan for Martham. Sweep Friday's high plus fail to hold bearish FBG, short sell. Sweep Friday's low, form bullish POS, bullish FBG, long buy. 1 minute candle is of zero. Hour will be end up. I have reached my limit. Okay, guys, I will do it later when I have limit done my limit. I will do it. So let me pause for now. I will do it from the another second. So guys, let's back. Here we have ChatGPT back working. We have given it some prompt and it's analyzing the do you want to analyze for intraday setups? We want intraday setups. Future moves. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. Here we are getting the result from the ChatGPT. Scale to suitable higher time frame. M15, H1, appliance, season price system, and order block, liquidity, fair value grab, smart menu concept. So these are the concepts used by the institutions, and ChatGPT already know it because developers while research add this. Let's see what it will give us in the later parts. Guys, you can see ChatGPT is using Python language to do that data analysis method using different algorithms. You don't need to learn anything. You just need to know like what works and how to make it work. These are the best tools ever. It's using different websites to do the analysis. It's very not easy for one guy to do. Now we can see we are getting the data from 4 sources. Now there are 7 sources. It's applying different website, different data, different signal side. Everything is throwing and making a great plan. Let's see what the results will come. So guys, this is what we got from the ChatGPT. So what they did, we are savvy, reassemble the uploaded 1 minute data into 15-minute 1 hour charts. I will attach the file link in the description. You can check it out or even ask me. Here you can easily read it. So the market structure shows a clear bearish shift. So according to the 1 minute time frame, we have a trend is judged by sequence of highs and lows. The breakout structure occurs when price. So this is the intraday price action, not the long-term investment plan. Because in long term, gold is bullish fundamentally, technically, everywhere. Because it's a great hedging tool to hedge your wealth. So on Friday, price made a high at 33.70, then flying below 33.12. This is the biggest change of vector signal from bullish to bearish. The pressure newly lower 32.65 and lower high pattern implies round trade. So in a summary, breaking low mark bearish POS. So buys favor downside continuation unless begin. So there are the stop hunts, and order blocks and fair value link gaps. Then we have a Monday intraday setup, entry zones, expected direction. So this is what I was looking for. So a drop below 32.65. If we come here, drop below 32.65. Market is said to be the 32.65. This is here. Okay, so it marked this lower. Any drop below this level with next support room, but 32.40, 32.50. The Thursday range. A bullish trade if this temporary secondary none need convincing reversal price action at 32.65. Overall, institution contracts as selling into the strength up to 39, 32.95, 3300 with first target near 32.65. So what could happen? Price could move first here, and from this level, the market should bounce here. So what we can expect? Let's do expectancy. Speculation. Shorts are favored on rallies into resistance. Like whenever the market is coming to a resistance. So where are our resistance? Where are our resistance? So we have this is the 3290, 3300 area. Bearish. Okay. So this is what it is calling the bearish zone. You can mark it with the rectangle. You can easily look at here. This is the area of imbalance where imbalance occurred. And definitely our next target should be around here. There are a lot of orders sitting under 1 hour and a 1 hour also. Yes, this is here a big resistance zone. So what we can expect price to do, price to bounce from this level to back here. This is what our forecast. From here to here for the intraday price action. But for the long term scenario, it's bullish guys. Below this level, just expect to the sell down from here. But when it comes back to the above side, just it's a long-term investment. It could be buy from here and other, which I already explained. So thank you for the now. You can apply the same method for yourself and do the different chat GPTs, AIs. Grok is there, Deep Search is there, and other. You can just apply them. Thank you very much.